Good morning to all of you. I am Muhammad Ammar Khan Shakirullah Khan, studying class 4. I want to explain in front of you the significance of this day. Today, 26th of January, this day is celebrated as a national festival. Republic Day. On this day, a pledge was taken on 26 January 1930 on the bank of River Rani to attain Swaraj was full-fledged. This day, in the year 1950, India became a democratic republic. On this day, all government offices, factories, institutions, and shops and establishments remain closed through the country. People assemble at one place. The national flag.